Hey, what's up, y'all? It's me, your girl, annoying as DiDi. Alright, guys, so today we are in the garden. Today I want to work on something that I really couldn't wait to create. I want to create my trellises in my garden. And we're going to use that with using these branches and some grapevine twine, I guess if that's what you want to call it. And it rained, it's been raining, so I don't have to worry about watering. But what I do want to do is, so I want to, some of the compost bottles are empty, so we're going to replace those with some full ones. And I want to remove some of these weeds out of the garden and see, and fertilize the garden a little bit more. I want to get the soil ready. Alright, you guys, so this looks like a good branch for a trellis. So I'm gonna need I'm gonna need 4, 8, 12. I'm gonna need 12 of these. So let's get 12 of them.
This is a weed beat.
so this is what we got so far. Do you see the vision? And we just gotta work on the arches.
Mommy?
Alright y'all, so I'm done with the arches today, but what I've done is I have grabbed some sticks to get the arch going. So next time we do the garden video, we're going to be putting the arches up. And let's finish doing what we got to do. Alright you guys, so this one is empty. This isn't empty. But this one is full. So we didn't find any empties.
Can we go on a walk?
After this, we didn't find any empties, so I'm going to put a new one right here. And I'm going to show y'all what I'm going to do with this Vaseline. I'll show y'all what we do with this. Oh, okay. So let me show you what we do with this. See that? We're gonna put this around the trunk of the tree. Keep ants out off of the tree. Keep the ants from transporting the aphids. Oh yeah, so I know this is working because my other citrus tree was looking real bad, and because it was infested with aphids. So I saw this, I think I saw this technique on Facebook, and I tried it and it's working. Alright, so this plant was looking really bad. Look at this. It was getting really bad. So when I saw that, I was like, I'm going to try that. And it clicked. It's doing so well. Look at these nice, happy, luscious, silky leaves. So pretty. Alright you guys, so this is a solution that I came up with. This is made with seaweed and tea. So we made some tea, we had some leftover tea leaves, and I was like, I can't throw these away because they're still full of nutrients. And then I had got some seaweed from the Asian market, and I still had a bunch left, so I'm like, let me make something for the plants. And this would be really good for leafy plants like your collard greens and your arugula, your lettuce, and your little seedlings. So I got some seedlings over there. You know, I got collard greens, I got some arugula, so we're gonna go ahead and spritz them down with this. Alright you guys, so my arugula has bolted. So that means that I'm gonna be getting some seeds. So I can't wait for that. About to bust my ass. We're gonna get this. Alright, you guys, so we are done today. What did we do today? So a recap, we started the trellises. We created an underground compost for the guava area, and we have sprayed our seedlings and got rid of some aphids, and I've showed you the Vaseline technique to keep the ants off the trees. I think that's it, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys go. I hope you guys enjoyed this video just as much as I enjoyed making it. And until next time, baby, it's your girl, Annoying as DiDi. Peace, love, and shea butter, baby.